Hey, my name is Eric. This is an update to a video I did on how to fix a toilet seat back in 2014. I had a great comment from a viewer who said he figured out what the problem was, because what I'm showing you on screen right now is how you can kind of temporarily fix a loose toilet seat. So Wayne here kind of hit this one on the nose, because that toilet seat after time will start to wiggle and get loose again. So he said what you need to do is get to the root of the problem. In this video you can see clearly that the porcelain holes are way larger in diameter than the bolts. The real solution is to purchase the correct bolt nylon sleeve that acts as a bushing, filling the void between the bolt and porcelain holes in the toilet. Don't buy those rubber little ones that come in a pack, usually with the special plastic tightening tool. Not one video I've seen on YouTube gives this proper solution. If you need the special tool to help you tighten the nuts, then simply buy the tool without those useless rubber spacers. Hope this helps. So I did some research on this because I thought that Wayne might be onto the right thing. What I'm going to show you here on screen is a product that I bought on Amazon. And the way this product works is it's a rubber bushing that's bigger. And what I found from the reviews is that, especially for Glacier toilets, which kept popping up in their reviews over and over again, that those the porcelain holes are too large for the bolts. So the bolt wiggles inside of the hole, and what this rubber bushing does is you really push and pop it in. It kind of clicks into the toilet, and then as you screw the screw in, it expands. It creates a very solid fit inside of that hole in the porcelain toilet. So what that's going to do is it's going to really firm up your toilet seat, and it has worked out perfectly. And I've used this toilet seat for about a month or so now, off and on, and I haven't had any of those issues of it getting loose again and wiggling on me. So I'll include a link to the product in the description of this video if you're looking for that little product that can fill in that hole. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, guys, if this helped you. It finally figured this out. If you have Glacier toilets, the cheaper ones at Home Depot, this is going to be the solution to help you fix that loose toilet seat. All right, guys, good luck and take care.